So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the default email app on your iPhone. For example, if you don't want this mail application to be the default one, you want the Gmail, that's the Google application, to be the default application for you. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the settings, and in the settings, scroll down until you see this option of apps. Once you click on it, here on this top option, you're going to find this that says default apps. Just simply tap over there, and here in this email section, you can see currently it's set to the mail. Now if I want to change it, I can simply switch to the Gmail, and now my default Gmail application, if any link will direct take me to the mail app, it will directly take me to the Gmail, or if I directly compose a new email, it will directly go through the Gmail app, not from the mail app. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.